If you're a sports fan, you can set sports alerts for your favorite teams with ThinQ. Just hold the remote control button and say, Set Sports Alert. ThinQ will open the Sports Alert app. Okay, I'll go to Sports Alert app. And now you can set your favorite teams. Select Add My Team, the sport you're interested in, then the league you want to get an alert for. Feel free to choose multiple teams. That's all there is to it. Now all you need to do is wait for alerts. From now on, whenever you're watching TV, sports alerts will look like this. To watch the game, just say Watch while holding the microphone button on the remote. Now you'll never miss your team play. This is it. This is ThinQ AI, LG's intelligent assistant. All from your TV. All powered by your voice.